Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Nelly Vin's channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you all for being part of this family. I really appreciate you guys. So today I'll be showing you guys tips on how you can run some codes using your Python programming. So today we'll be doing some running a code to create a kind of a spirograph in a squared, a squared spirograph. So I'm just gonna start by opening my Python software. If you already have the Python software, you can just bring this up and start running the code. But if you don't have Python software on your desktop or your computer, on your tablet, all you have to do is just go to your Play Store and search Python. So I'm sure when you search this, different versions are gonna pop up. So I'm using 3.10. I used to have 3.9 till the latest version came on board. So if you're able to get 3.9, it's still fine. It will still going to run your code perfectly. So I'm just gonna start by opening my Python. I'm just gonna go on my share tab here. Okay, here is my Python. So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna click on File. When I click on File, I'm also click on New Files. This is to open up a new window. So I'm going to run the code on the left where I'm going to type the code on the left. My code is over here, and my going to run the code will be over here. So I'm going to start by importing Turtle. You know, Turtle is known for its graphic features. So whatever kind of graphic you want to create on Python, you have to import Turtle. So I'm just going to start by importing Turtle. Import Turtle. Then I'm going to click Enter. So I'm just going to put all the necessary features that I need the graphic to have. So now I'm just doing the speed. This is the speed of the graphic. So I'm just the speed is just gonna be normal speed, so nothing too exceptional, just gonna be 0. So it's just going to run at its own speed. And I'm just gonna do the background color. So I'm just gonna say turtle.bg. So you have to shorten it. Remember, if you're creating your code on Python, Python doesn't use British English. It only uses American English. So remember, I used to make this mistake when I was just so new to programming. I always used to use British English. So now you have to. I've known that you don't have to use British. You have to use American English. So I have to type BG color. So I want the background color to be. You can just explore with the colors. Maybe I'll say maybe red. I can just use red color. So it's all up to you, the color you want the background to be. So I want the color to be red. Enter. So for I in range, I want my to be 5. Enter. For colors, and so I'm just gonna create the colors that I want it to be. So I'm just gonna start by opening my bracket. So now here the option is all yours. You can just explore in different kind of colors you want. So I'm just gonna say, I'll say, okay, let's say purple. Purple, comma, and I'm gonna say green. So it's entirely up to you to know the colors you want to explore. And I'm just gonna use the same one, a different one. I say cyan. and I'm just gonna use, I will say, red. Or I've used red in my background. I'm just gonna say blue. Here there is no rule on any particular color to use, so you can use any kind of color because you want it to be quite colorful. So on the next one, I've used purple, I've used green, I've used cyan, I've used blue. Well, the next one I can do white. Can do white. Let's say white. Let's get one more color and progress to the next one. Let me see, purple, green. I can do, let's say, red. Red. Then you close your bracket. Enter. I'm just gonna start my command. So turtle dot color turtle.color. So I'm just gonna let you know that I'm using different kind of colors. So I'm gonna close the bracket, then turtle dot my pen size. So I don't want it to be too thick, the pens. I'm just gonna use 3. You can make it 5 or 6, but because it's kind of a spirograph, so I'm just not want a very thick drawing, so I'm just gonna make it 3. Bracket open and close. You're gonna do the next one. Turtle dot left. So I'm just gonna go left. Yeah, turtle left. I'm gonna make this 12. I'm just gonna go forward on this one. Turtle dot forward. And I'll make this 200. I'm gonna make this 90. Gonna go forward again. I'm gonna make this 200. Bracket closed. Turtle. I'm gonna go left, and my left is now set at 90, so I'm just gonna stick to my 90, and my forward remains 200. Turtle dot forward. Turtle dot left. 90. Turtle dot forward. I'll make this minus my 200 and turtle just left, which is set at 90. So after I've done this is the code, so what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna go through the codes line by line to make sure there is no kind of error. If not, it's going to give you a syntax error, and you don't want that. So I'm just gonna go through it line by line. Import turtle. Turtle.speed is 0, and my background color is red. For my eye in range is 5. For colors, my colors are going to be purple, green, cyan, blue, white, and red. And these are the features I want it to have. So my pen size is going to be 3, and the left goes 12, then forward here 200, this one 90, and this one 200. Yeah, so it looks just fine. So what I'm going to do now is, because yeah, I need to name the file, so I'm just gonna start by, I'll save as, I'll go to my folder. I like to use my document to save my Python. I'm just gonna call this Spirograph. Spirograph. Save. So after you've saved this, so the next step is to click on the Run tab. You click on Run Module. Oh, syntax error. Okay. So this one good thing about Python, it tells you where the error occurred, so you can amend it, which is a good thing. So I'm gonna click on Run. Source must be saved. Okay, to save. So okay. Total dot pen size. Let me see. Okay, I need to push this all back. The same thing here. So that's one good thing about Total. It's going to tell you where the error occurred, so you can look into it and have it amended. I'm trying to make the video as short as possible. So once you have amended it, you can just go back to rerun it, and it's going to give you the output, the desired output. Let's see what happened here. Total. Okay, let me say I'm going to rerun it. I'm just gonna have a look and see where the error occurred. My colors, everything is in order. So I'm just name Total. Oh, okay. So let's see. Name Total is not defined. Did you mean Total? So let's see where it says that. Yeah. So yeah. It tells you what mistake you've made, so you can easily go back and readjust it. So yeah, this is the output you get. You can also change whatever color you want to use. I can change this to blue. I'm just gonna change my background to blue. So whatever color you want, you can. Okay, so this is the output. Yeah, so it's all entirely up to you on what color you want to try with. If you want an orange background, you can say orange. Yeah, and that's it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share with your friends, share with your families. I'll see you all very soon. Now, thank you. Bye.